to my channel. Today, you guys, I thought I'll jump on here and share with you all some home decor inspiration videos. So today I'm going to take you along as I decorate this small console table in my hallway. I thought it'd be a good idea to give it a spring touch and bring some spring vibes to that space. And since we're not able to get out and go to the stores, I'm going to be using everything in this video I already owned. So you still can decorate your house and change things up while most of you are probably homebound and they're telling everybody to stay at home, stay put, do social distancing because of the coronavirus. So there is still things that you can do around your home to keep busy or to kind of refresh your space without going out and buying new things. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I refresh my hallway table using things that I already had. So if you are a returning subscriber, then hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad y'all tuned in for another video, and I hope everybody is being safe out there. Hope you're practicing social distancing. Make sure you're disinfecting and washing your hands and all of that. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And to all of my healthcare providers out there, my thoughts and prayers are with you all. I am a healthcare provider. I'm a respiratory therapist, so I understand it is real out there, you guys. So if you can, make sure you say a prayer for your healthcare providers and all of our first responders that are out there on a daily basis. They can't stay at home, but they are not there, you know, at work taking care of patients and doing what they're supposed to do to keep you all healthy and safe. So I ask for you all to please pray for us and keep us all in your prayers, as well as those people that have been affected by the coronavirus, you guys, because it is a nasty disease, a nasty virus out there. So that being said, let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, so I decided to go ahead and style this little sofa table here that I have in my hallway. So this is my hallway. It's a very small, narrow space. So I added this sofa table. It was in my front living room area, my entryway, but I recently changed out that table for a larger one. So I decided to add this one here in my hallway. Okay, so the first thing I added was this beautiful crystal lamp. I had this lamp maybe about 3 or 4 years now that I think I purchased it from the at-home stores many years ago. So I thought I'll add it to this table just so it can add a little bit of extra light to this hallway because it is very dark. So I thought that would be really nice to go ahead and add a lamp to one side of the sofa table. Okay, you guys, so please excuse the lighting because like I said, it is a little dark in this hallway. Next, I'm gonna try to decorate with some apothecary jars. I love using apothecary jars. They are very versatile, and then you can use them in a variety of ways to store things as well as use them for home decor. So I purchased these beautiful apothecary jars from Home Goods a while back. So I'm gonna add some greenery, but I'm also gonna share with you all some different ideas of how you can style it. But first, I'm just gonna add some moss balls to it and to this larger jar here. And I just thought that would be really nice to add as a touch of spring to kind of give it some spring vibes. The next idea I have these little beaded garlands that I have from Christmas time. So I'm just gonna add that in there. And then I'm gonna add in there a nice little floral arrangement on top of the beaded crystals or the beaded garland, just to kind of add it like a little glam look. And then I'm gonna add this beautiful floral arrangement that I created with some florals around the house, just to kind of add it a nice little soft decorative look. And I'm just gonna place that in the jar like so. And then this is what the first look is looking like, you guys. Okay, next, so I have this smaller apothecary jar here that I'm just gonna add some greenery to the base of it. I'm just using some greenery that I had laying around the house with just some sprig of, it looks kind of like a rosemary sprigs. So I'm just gonna add that to the base of the jar like so. And I'm just gonna try to add like a spring floral arrangement in here as well. And then next I'm just gonna add these little bitty picks of spring. I wanna say they like baby artichokes, like kind of like a blush pink and a kind of reddish color. So I thought that would look really cute in there. And then this is what the second arrangement looks like, you guys. And I'm absolutely loving the way it's turning out. It just gives all kinds of spring vibes and then adds a little bit of pop of color to this dark space. Next, I'm going to add in this photo here, this picture frame. It's just a picture of Paris that I had added to this nice little mirrored, not mirrored, but silver picture frame here. I thought it would look really nice to add some nice little artwork to this table as well. And then next, I'm just going to add in a photo of my kids here on the sofa table. And then this is what everything is looking like so far, you guys. Next, I'm going to add in a floral arrangement. I'm just going to take that same floral arrangement that I created inside the Apothecary jar, and I'm going to add it into this little silver candle holder. This candle holder I got from, I believe, at home stores maybe about 3 or 4 years ago. So I'm just going to add this floral arrangement to the candle holder. Next, I'm going to add in some coffee table books, and these are just some different books that I had lying around the house. So I'm just going to add those to the left side of the sofa table like so. And this is what everything is looking like so far, you guys. So I'm really loving how everything has turned out. It definitely has brought a little bit of life to this kind of dull hallway here. So I'm liking how the whole sofa table has turned out. It definitely adds like a pop of spring and just to kind of warm up the space. And everything I used on this table is things that I already had lying around the house. I didn't purchase anything new. As you guys know, we can't really go out and shop because most of the stores and everything are shut down. So I'm definitely trying to utilize things that I already have in the home. And then at the bottom of the sofa table, I'm just going to add in this glam pillow or beaded pillow that I got from Home Goods years ago. So I'm just going to add that to the bottom of the base of the table just to kind of soften up some of the chrome and everything down there at the bottom. And then this is the final look, you guys. So since they have most of the city, or at least in my area, they have most of businesses are kind of pretty much closing, and they're kind of doing kind of like drive-through service with certain kind of businesses and everything. So for the next few videos, I'm going to try to bring with you all some maybe some cleaning videos, and I also have a couple of product review videos that I'm going to put up on the channel just so I can kind of still continue to put out content and you'll be able to still have something to watch. I'm trying to stick to a schedule, you all, but as you know, I try to bring at least a video every week, but sometimes with work and everything, I'm not able to get out a video every week, but I try to make sure that I kind of have some type of content for you all to enjoy and watch, especially while you are stuck in the house and everything. So just stay tuned for that, you guys, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel a lot. And to all of my beautiful subscribers, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.